kind of cool. I do something about my hair though. Unfortunately, having long hair and driving around in convertible is not as attractive as the movies would have you believe it is.
What if I roll down the windows?
Roll down the windows, see what happens. So, typically if I'm gonna ride now with the top down, I have to do something with my hair. But the fact that I can now without getting sunburned is super rad. So the SpiderWebShade finally came in, just in time for the beautiful weather that we're having. So we're gonna go ahead and get it installed on the Rubicon and see what it looks like. All right, first step is obviously just gonna be removing the top and laying down the windshield. Once you have that part done, the rest of it is even easier. Two really cool things about this SpiderWebShade is one, the tools you need are all found in your factory toolkit that comes with the Jeep. Another cool thing is it comes with these little tabs that replace all these bolts here. It's a little more integrated, looks nicer, so it should be pretty cool. So if you'll look, they actually just integrate right into them. So you'll take the bolt out, slide this in, bolt it back up. There's 5 on each side, and then it's just a matter of putting the shade on itself. So you notice that in the Jeep toolkit, you actually don't have the proper Torx bit to take these bolts off. The Shade actually provides it for you. It comes in the same little bag that these guys come in, so it makes it really easy. Go ahead and get it all off.
Nice.
Ta-da! Super easy. Now for the other 9. Okay, so grab the drill because it makes my life a lot easier. So as far as the rear goes, you're gonna grab these 2 bolts right here, and then there's actually a third one right back there. Oh yeah, that's way easier. So as it turns out, you can't take a shortcut. You do in fact have to take the back section of the top off in order to get the sunshade on.
We might not have to take it all the way off. We might be able to just loosen it and then just kind of lift it up, feed it through. So I'm just gonna push on this, rotate it up. She's gonna feed it through. So that way we don't have to remove the whole thing. And that's gonna sit just like that.
Yep.
And we'll just come back down with it and we can put the bolts back in.
They also include this handy dandy strap of material, which took us a moment to figure out what it was for, and we figured it out. It's to help you feed these bands around.
There we go.
You just pull it out. So, but yeah. Look at that. So far, so good. All right. So we've got it all the way on. All that's left is putting everything back together. All right. And then 2 in the front up top. This is actually really nice.
How long did it take? 20 minutes?
20 minutes, if that, really. Kind of gives the top a little more class than it had before. It's not just all white plastic, so that's kind of neat too. Added benefit.
Looks like we have a headliner now instead of just white foam. I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. Don't feel like I'm getting sunburnt, driving with the top off.
Yeah, I like it. It's awesome.
I like it. 10 out of 10. And again, that took us like maybe, what, not even 20 minutes to install.
I don't even know if I want to put the top back on.